Discover wonder of Piemonte. Turin, the capital of Piedmont, is a city of grand architecture and rich history. The Mole Antonelliana, a towering landmark, houses the National Museum of Cinema and offers panoramic views of the city from its spire. The Royal Palace of Turin, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcases opulent rooms and extensive art collections. Turin's historic centre features elegant squares like Piazza Castello and Piazza San Carlo, surrounded by arcaded streets and historic cafes. The Egyptian Museum of Turin, one of the largest in the world, is another major attraction, reflecting the city's cultural and intellectual heritage. Alba, known for its truffles and wines, is a charming town in the Langhe region. The town's historic centre is characterized by medieval towers and narrow cobblestone streets. Alba Cathedral, with its striking red brick facade, and the Church of San Domenico are notable landmarks. Alba is famous for its white truffle fair held annually in the fall, attracting gourmet enthusiasts from around the world. The town is also a hub for exploring the surrounding vineyards that produce Barolo and Barbaresco wines. Asti, another significant town in Piedmont, is renowned for its sparkling wines and medieval palaces. The Cathedral of Asti, a prime example of Gothic architecture, features beautiful frescoes and an impressive bell tower. The town hosts the Palio di Asti, one of Italy's oldest horse races, held annually in September. Asti's historic centre is dotted with medieval towers, and the Palazzo Massetti houses a rich collection of art and historical artifacts. Castles and palaces. The Royal Palace of Veneria, a grandiose Baroque residence, is one of the largest royal residences in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The palace complex includes opulent rooms, extensive gardens, and the Great Gallery, which is a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. The palace also hosts various exhibitions and cultural events throughout the year. The gardens, with their fountains and meticulously manicured landscapes, provide a stunning backdrop for leisurely walks. The Castle of Rivoli, located on a hill overlooking the town of Rivoli, is now home to the Museum of Contemporary Art. The castle's history dates back to the 9th century, and it was extensively renovated in the Baroque style in the 17th century. The museum features a diverse collection of contemporary artworks and hosts temporary exhibitions, making it a major cultural destination. The castle's blend of historic architecture and modern art creates a unique and engaging experience for visitors. The Castle of Recanati, another splendid royal residence, is surrounded by a vast park and gardens. The castle's interiors are richly decorated, reflecting various architectural styles from Baroque to neoclassical. The park, with its lakes and ancient trees, is a serene place for walking and picnicking. The castle often hosts cultural events and exhibitions, adding to its appeal as a tourist destination. Natural parks and reserves. The Gran Paradiso National Park, shared with the Aosta Valley, is Italy's oldest national park. The park is named after Gran Paradiso, the only 4,000-meter peak entirely within Italian territory. It offers stunning alpine landscapes, including glaciers, meadows, and forests. The park is home to a variety of wildlife, such as ibex, chamois, and golden eagles. Numerous hiking trails, ranging from easy walks to challenging climbs, allow visitors to explore the park's natural beauty. The Val Grande National Park is the largest wilderness area in Italy, offering rugged and pristine landscapes. The park is ideal for hiking, with trails that pass through dense forests, deep valleys, and high mountain ridges. The park's remote and untouched nature provides a haven for wildlife, including deer, wolves, and various bird species. Val Grande is perfect for those seeking solitude and adventure in a wild and unspoiled environment. The Sacred Mountain of Barolo, part of the Sacri Monti of Piedmont and Lombardy, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The complex includes a series of chapels and a sanctuary, beautifully integrated into the natural landscape. The chapels are decorated with frescoes and sculptures depicting scenes from the life of Christ, making it an important pilgrimage site. The Sacred Mountain offers both spiritual and scenic experiences, with panoramic views of the surrounding valleys. Vineyards and wine regions. The Langhe, Roero, and Monferrato regions are renowned for their rolling hills, picturesque vineyards, and world-class wines. This area is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for its cultural landscapes and winemaking traditions. The region produces some of Italy's finest wines, including Barolo, Barbaresco, and Piemonte. Visitors can tour the vineyards, taste the wines, and explore charming villages like Barolo, Langhe, and Neve. The region's culinary traditions, featuring truffles, cheeses, and artisanal products, complement the wine tasting experience. Lakes and outdoor activities. Lake Maggiore, which Piedmont shares with Lombardy and Switzerland, is one of Italy's largest and most scenic lakes. The Borromean Islands, located in the lake, are a major attraction. Isola Bella is famous for its Baroque palace and terraced gardens, while Isola Madre features an English-style botanical garden. The lake's shores are dotted with charming towns like Stresa and Verbania, offering beautiful views and recreational opportunities such as boating, hiking, and swimming. The Orta Lake, smaller but equally picturesque, is another gem in Piedmont. The medieval village of Orta San Giulio, with its narrow streets and charming squares, is a delightful place to explore. The island of San Giulio, located in the lake, is home to a historic basilica and a Benedictine monastery. The peaceful atmosphere and natural beauty of Lake Orta make it a perfect destination for relaxation and outdoor activities. Other points of interest. The Sacre di San Michele, a dramatic hilltop abbey, is one of Piedmont's most iconic landmarks. The abbey, founded in the 10th century, is perched on Mount Picciariano and offers stunning views of the Susa Valley. The complex includes a Romanesque church, cloisters, and chapels, all rich in history and architectural significance. The Sacre di San Michele inspired Umberto Eco's novel The Name of the Rose and continues to be a place of pilgrimage and tourism. The town of Ivrea, known for its historic carnival and the Battle of the Oranges, is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its industrial architecture. The town factories, designed by prominent architects, are examples of the early 20th century industrial city planning. Ivrea's historic centre features medieval buildings, including the Ivrea Castle and the Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta. The town's unique combination of industrial heritage and cultural traditions makes it a fascinating destination. The Fort of Fenestrelle, one of the largest alpine fortresses in Europe, stretches along a ridge in the Caisone Valley. The fortress, built in the 18th century, includes a series of interconnected fortifications, walls, and stairways. The site offers guided tours, allowing visitors to explore its impressive military architecture and learn about its history. The fort's elevated location provides stunning views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. The town of Saluzzo, with its well-preserved medieval and Renaissance architecture, is another gem in Piedmont. The historic centre features narrow streets, ancient churches, and elegant palaces. The Castiglia, a former castle and prison, now houses museums and cultural exhibitions. Saluzzo's rich history, architectural beauty, and cultural events make it a charming destination.